Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to answer a question that many people ask me very frequently, which is, what is this pick that you see in front of you? I use it in so many of my videos. Who made it? Where did I get it from? And how do I like it? I'm going to try to answer some of those questions today, and more information is coming up on this pick in just a second. Please stay tuned. Alright, so I'd like to give you a little bit of background information on this pick. So who made this pick? This pick was made by Jason Carlson, and he's a guy that is always making really cool custom lock picks. He's always trying out new techniques. He does such a great job, and I just feel so lucky to have one from him. When I got this pick in, it was one of 3 picks, and this is the one that really stood out to me, and you've seen me use it in many of my videos. I really enjoy the finish on it, and I just find it to be a really aesthetically pleasing pick. So what did I call this pick? I called this pick Psychedelic because when Jason Carlson first made this for me, I believe he told me, if I remember correctly, the wood he used was called Psychedelic wood, and I just thought the name would fit. The 2 other picks that he sent me were a very large brown-handled one, which I called the Brown Derby, and then a really large-handled pink one, which he made for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which I called Pink Flamingo. I find these picks to be really well made, and I really enjoy them. It has a really nice short hook profile, a really nice lustrous finish, and this pick has a profile of about 24 thousandths of an inch, and that can get into many standard US locks very easily. The only thing I do not like about this pick from a personal standpoint when it comes to picking locks is the handle is just a little bit thick for me. I am so used to picking locks with handles that are more like this Peterson one, that are thinner and thick. I feel like that just gives me more feedback, and it's just what I'm used to when I'm picking open locks. However, this pick can certainly open up many different locks. It is a really great pick. It just takes me a little bit getting used to because I am not used to the handle. But when you take a look at the way he cut this out, it has a very nice ergonomic feel. It fits very well in your hand, and I just want to say thank you again to Jason Carlson for making me this pick. This psychedelic pick is one of my favorites to use in my videos, and it's just such a cool pick to look at. If you guys aren't familiar with Jason Carlson already, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. Also check out some of his posts on the Facebook Luck Sport group. He's always making some really cool things. What I'd like to do right now is show you an example of me opening up some locks with this pick so you can see it in action. The first lock is going to be a little bit of a warm-up. It's going to be one of my clear acrylic padlocks that you've seen me pick open before. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the lock is now opened up. Now that we got this one out of the way, let's do another easy one. We're going to do the Master Lock model number 3, and my goal is going to be to try to zip it open. I always like to test out a pick to see how well it zips. Let's see. Got that one opened up on the first try. That is always a good omen that this pick is going to do great things. Now we're going to open up a Master Lock model number 140 with 40 thousandths top of the keyway tension. But we're going to try to single pin pick this one right now. Let's see, 1. We'll click on 2. Click on 3. Maybe something on 4. But 1 opened us up. I just want to say, Jason Carlson, thank you again for making me this psychedelic pick. I hope everyone enjoyed checking it out. It is a really cool pick, and it is just really well made. It's very strong. I do not feel like it's going to break, and it's going to last me a long time. I hope to keep using it in all my videos. It is such a beautiful pick to look at, and I just feel so lucky to have it. And I hope to do a video to feature my Brown Derby pick and my Pink Flamingo pick in future videos. But either way, guys, this is all that I have for you today. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day.